world is yours. Take it, grab a hold of it and run with it. Preparing for the storm, y'all. Preparing for the storm. Keep your eyes on the skies at all times. Pay attention to the frequencies. You see how these birds moving in packs like this? Something real big finna go down in this area. This a metropolitan city. You feel me? It's nothing, it's on real low vibration. But you see how all these black crows is flying in a pack. They were just flying past me for a minute. I wasn't even tripping off the shit. And I'm like, damn, look all these birds, bruh. Yeah, a whole flock, I'm talking about at least 1,000 of them. All right, y'all. The world is yours. Take it, grab a hold of it and run with it.